Всем здравствуйте! Сегодня я собираюсь в супермаркет и покажу, что я собираюсь купить. Today I'm going to the supermarket and I will show you what I'm going to buy. Let's come in. Let's take this can. Okay, let's go shopping. At first, I'm going to take oil. It would be better to say it's butter. I prefer to cook this butter. The price is not cheap, but it's very healthy. 242 рубля. I prefer this one. Sweet milk. Сладкое молоко, но по-русски это сгущенное молоко. Сгущенное молоко. Sweet milk. And the price is... Let's choose some cheese. I prefer goat cheese, and here is where is okay, from Iron. Goat cheese, that's not cheap, that's 179 rubles for 100 gram, and this piece of cheese will be 395 рублей, 395 rubles. But if we compare with the Russian cheese, not from Iran, it will be about this price, just half. 67 rubles, 67 рублей, 77 rubles, 77, 59, 59 rubles, and so on, different prices. That's Russian. Here is some sausages. For example, this one 79 rubles, 79 рублей. But I prefer to take, okay, this one. Yeah. This is, oh, and this one. Паштет. This is паштет. And I take it for my dog, for Toby, because he likes. And now I'd like to choose some vegetables and fruit. Okay, look at them. Tomato. The pack of tomato. This pack is about half kilo, and the price is 199 rubles. That's about 200 rubles. Okay. Oh, and I take it. What else? Okay, potato. Potato, the price is 24 rubles. 24 рубля. Свекла. Свекла. Here is свекла, very dirty. We use this vegetable for борщ. Борщ, the beet Russian soup. I need to take gloves. Guys, do you like mushrooms? Грибы? Вы любите грибы? I take one. Шампиньоны. The price is 79 rubles. And here we can see, okay, already season, but now it's winter in Russia. Опята, that's mushroom, опята. And the price is 129 rubles. Very good. And now I need to take salad. This one. Salad will be, for this one piece, 58 rubles. 58 rubles. Bananas from Ecuador, 59 rubles. And I need oranges. I make juice or just eat them. Okay, this one 2 kilos and 1 kilo 139 rubles from Morocco. Thank you, Morocco. And this is the base for my porridge, Hercules. Hercules. I like it. And the price is 53 ruble for one pack. 53 ruble. There are many of them, different kind of Hercules, but I prefer this. And now I try to find coconut oil because I like it. That's not Russian product because it's I don't know where, but this is very expensive and the price is 250 rubles and more. Так, здесь у нас макароны. Макароны макфа для супа, for soup, 37 рублей. And spaghetti 46 рублей. I need to take a soap for children, but this soap, the price is 64 rubles, but this is for my dog because it's very sensitive boy. And what about tissue? Бумажные салфетки. The price is 29 rubles. Okay, I'll take one. My salt is finished. And that's why I take this one. The price is 37 rubles. Come on. And I'll show you the sugar. Сахар. 23 рубля. 23 ruble for 1 kilo for this one. Okay, good. Okay, what else? And I need the flour. Мука. Мука 2 килограмма, 2 kilos, 99 ruble. This one pack, like this, 2 kilos. Okay, I'll take it too. What about sunflower oil? The price is from 48 rubles for 1 liter, and I think that's up to the most expensive. Which one? I know this one very good, 89 rubles. And wow, the most expensive I see 180 with some ads. Yeah. But if we talk about pure sunflower, the price I think up to 114. That's it. Yeah, that's the highest price. And now it's time for my sweets. I prefer cashew bars, 126 rubles. That's very expensive for them, but anyway. And I'll take coconut. Oh, I'll show you. Финики, dates, кокос, coconut, cashew, миндаль, cashew and almond. Okay, the price the same, 126 rubles. But anyway, today I'll take it. You see the eco vegan. That's healthy products, different kind of nuts, seeds, without any sugar and so on. Okay, and I like Russian sunflowers, жареные семечки от Мартина, fried sunflower seeds. The price is 69 rubles. Okay, I think that's it for today. Go to the cashier. Thank you very much for staying with me. See you in the next video. Bye bye. До свидания. Пока-пока.